What is up, everyone? This is Jeff with Game Day Legends coming at you with some more Stadium Club. Today, we're going to be looking at the value packs. We already looked at the blasters. We will be looking for the 3 exclusive pink foil parallels, plus there's other goodies in here. So let's get started. Everybody knows what we're looking for. Hopefully, we can get some good mojo here. Hopefully, everybody's having a great Wednesday. Appreciate everybody stopping by. Just getting off of work here. All right, let's see. We got Mason Wynn, McClanahan, Rosarina, McLean, Votto. We got Walker, Alex Rodriguez. And we got Roger Clemens, Jose Canseco. And we got Fernando Tatis. Is going to be on the Special Forces. I did open up another pack before this. I got a Ellie De La Cruz Virtuosos of Velocity. So that was pretty cool. I'm going to adjust my lighting here real quick. Give me 1 second. All right, hopefully that's better. There you go. Sorry about that. We got Jaron Duran on our red, Logan O'Hoppe, Nolan Chanel, nice. And we got Kyron Paris, and we got Jared Kelnick on the chrome. God, I can't even speak today. It has been a long day at work, so bear with me. All right, and I did get these at GameStop. GameStop seems to be the new target. All right, we got Blake Snell. And we got Fernando Tatis, Joe Musgrove. And we got Brehu. We got Jackie Robinson, nice. We got Rod Carew. We got Christy Mathewson. Rod Carew is not a rookie. We got Mel Ott, David Wright, and we got Juan Soto for the Yankees. And that is going to be on the Chief Fantasy. Nice. That over there. And we got Colton Cowser on the red. Very nice. Alvarez. Mauricio. Nice. Lou Gehrig, and then we got Jordan Westberg on the chrome. Very nice. All right, next pack. And at the end of the video, we will have a recap of the best hits. What I consider the hits. Here we go. For my PC, Josh Young. We got CJ Abrams. Nice photo. These photos are so awesome. Hernandez. Chris Sale. Kelnick. Robinson, Outman, Miller, Sheehan. We got Tanner Biggie on the chrome. Nice. Was that a refractor? It is a refractor. All right, there you go. I thought there was something different. Sammy Sosa, Westberg, Kerstad. And we got Veritek. And then we got Tony Gwynn on the chrome. Nice. So 2 chromes. I like that you get 3 pinks and another parallel. Makes these value packs a little bit tempting to get more. All right, we got Springer, Barrios, Chapman, Acuna Jr., Freed, Murphy. There you go. Nice little Otani. Kershaw, Freddie Freeman, Kyle Harrison. This is going to be I don't know why that's, it's a black parallel. Kyle Harrison. Nice. Put that over there. And then we got Horner. Then we got Cedric Mullins, Ryan Mountcastle, Adley Rushman. Nice, and we got a Jack Leader on the chrome. Put him up there. Let's go. All right, we got 5 more packs to go. Appreciate everybody stopping by. Hopefully this will be a quick video for y'all. All right, we got DeGrom. Nice. Garcia. Another nice one. Seager. This is a Rangers pack. We'll take it. Glavine. Strider. Riley. Bobby Witt Jr. Perez. Reagans. Joe Musgrove. On the black parallel. And we got Nolan Jones. Ken Griffey Jr. Nice. And we got Cal Raleigh. Julio Rodriguez. And we got Randy Arozarena on the chrome. All right, let's keep it moving. 4 more. We have not seen Schemes or Churio or Holiday. Let's see, or any of my Rangers, Langford or Evan Carter, Suzuki, Hernandez, Piazza, Tom Seaver, and then we got another Luis Ariza on the refractor chrome. Nice. Got another Jordan Westberg, Munson, Dave Winfield, Derek Jeter, and Robert Clemente. All right, that's a chrome. 3 more to go. Just need a little bit more Rangers. Nolan Gorman on the back. Here we got Nolan Arenado, Goldschmidt, Gorman, Jimenez, Biggie, Naylor. We got Wells, Pereira, Juan Soto, Cal Raleigh. This is going to be on the black parallel. Nice. We got Casas, Turner, Mike Trout. That's nice. And we got Taylor Ward, and we got Nolan Gorman. All right. So not much going there other than Mike Trout and all the stars. We got 2 more to go. It's been awesome. Look out for mega chromes this weekend. Got more Stadium Club. And what else do we got? We got Star Wars. I don't know what we're going to do this week. I have not gotten that many rookies. Muncy, Betts, Schmidt, Jordan Alvarez. This is going to be the Power Packed. Nice. Steel. We got Gunnar Henderson. Nice. We got Batista. Another Colton Cowser. And then we got Barry Larkin on the chrome. All right. 1 more pack. This has been super awesome. We'll be right back with the hits. Curtis Meade. These cards stick together. Sorry about that. There you go. And Diaz. Caminero. There you go. That was nice. There's one on the back. All right. And we got Charlie Blackmon. Bryant. Nolan Jones, Mark McGuire, Nola, Zach Geloff. Oh, nice. What do we get here? We got some kind of miniature card. That is going to be Jason Dominguez for your New York Yankees. Nice. We'll put that up there. We got Rafaela. We got Moniak, Adele, Longoria, and our last chrome is Rojas. All right, cool. I'll be right back with all the hits. Be back. All right, we are back with the hits. These are my hits, so you might have different hits. Hopefully, you'll tell me down in the comments. Jason Dominguez on the, I don't know what that's called. We got a Big B on the refractor, Ariza on the another refractor chrome, Kowser on the pink, Westberg, Rafaela, Jack Leader on the chrome. We had some other notables, Westberg, and let's see what else we had here. I think that was it for the chrome. Our top rookie would be Junior Caminero. We got tons of pinks. We got our blacks. We got 3 blacks. We got Harrison. We got Musgrove, and we got Raleigh. And then our inserts, we got Ellie De La Cruz on a pack that I opened before the video. Super awesome. We got Fernando Tatis on the Special Forces. We got Juan Soto on the Chief Fantasy. And then we got Yordan Alvarez Power Packed Cheaters. Anyways, thank you everyone for stopping by. I really appreciate it. This was pretty awesome. I love going through the value packs. You get so much awesomeness through them. So you guys have a great night, and we will talk to you guys this week. Peace.